Alright guys, before we get started, make sure y'all hit that like button and make sure y'all subscribe. We're on the road to 100 subscribers. I know this small, but that's why I know we can get that. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Let's go. As y'all can see, I'm putting my DURAG on. Once again, I'm gonna show y'all another method. Another way, put your DURAG on. Alright, so boom. Y'all remember we're gonna do it the same way we did it last time. Flatten this up. Where is she at? Flat the gap. Flatten that with that. Then boom. Go hold that. Hey, then go all the way across it. Stick with me now. Come back over, look like Jackie Chan looking at me. You feel me? Bruce Lee type shit. You did. It's on some pimp shit though. You can only do this if you pee. If you ain't pee, you can't do this. You feel me? Rewind it if you need to see how to do it again. But there you got another look. Up close and personal face ass. Yeah. Put that shit to the side of like Jack Sparrow. Put it back over here. You want some? I don't even know. I just fucked it all up, y'all. But yeah, I got it. Yeah, I get the point. I just fucked it up.
Hey, yo. Like the motherfucking video.